Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video that I've been looking forward to for the past few weeks so desperately. It is a beautiful sunny spring day out. The birds are chirping. It's honestly the perfect setting for this video. So every season I tend to do like a wardrobe refresh where I just take things out of my clothing storage under my bed, where I store clothes that are just not appropriate for the current season. I'm the type of person that strives on having a minimal wardrobe. In the past, I used to do capsule wardrobes, and I don't really think I do them anymore because I don't limit myself to the amount of items or the type of items in any way. I just pull out things that I would like to wear during each season. But that's definitely where it stems from. It is capsule wardrobe-esque. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, then just keep on watching. So this is my clothing rack, and I used to keep all of my clothes in my closet, but I gave up my closet so my husband could hang a lot of his stuff in there. And I honestly prefer having my clothes out so that I can see them, and it just helps putting outfits together a lot easier, and I just feel more inspired to wear my clothes. As you can see, I did start to hang up some spring stuff. This stuff is from my most recent spring thrift haul that I'll leave linked in the cards. This stuff is like wintry stuff, so you can definitely tell the difference. Spring, winter. In my drawers, I keep like t-shirts, tank tops in my drawers. So that kind of stuff is typically gonna stay the same. I might put a couple things away, but the main thing that's gonna change is a clothing rack. So I have pulled all of the things that I want to transfer onto my rack or put in my drawers, and I have a pretty good pile here. I'm just gonna run through everything very quickly for you guys. So first up, I've got these white linen pants. These are thrifted from the Gap, and I feel like linen pants are just the staple, especially transitioning like spring to summer. I feel like I love a linen pant. So I've got this pair of linen pants. I've got a black pair of linen pants. These are from Abercrombie years and years and years ago, but I swear by any of Abercrombie's linen is beautiful. And then I have these linen pants. These are just like a classic linen. These are thrifted Ann Taylor linen pants. These are one of my best thrift finds, honestly. And these pants are kind of like linen adjacent. I believe these are like rayon or something like that. But these are just kind of like a cargo style green pant. I got these at the end of the summer last year, and I really, really loved them. They're super comfortable. Another staple for me for spring is just button downs. A lot of these I have thrifted. I feel like button downs are really, really easy to thrift, but I've got just a classic white button down. This one was thrifted years ago. I do want to replace this one because it's kind of a boxier fit. So this is something I would probably be on the lookout for. I might splurge and get a really nice Abercrombie one just because I really like the cut of their button downs. This one is also thrifted. This is a J. Jill like oversized linen button down. I wear this one a lot. I also wear this a lot in the summer as like a beach cover up. This one is also thrifted. This is my green, like, striped one. This is from the Gap. And then this one is also thrifted from Eddie Bauer. Just nice little, like, denim button up. And then this one is from Abercrombie and Fitch. Cute little blue and white striped. I feel like this was like the item last year and even like the year before. Then I just have a handful of other random tops. I have this gingham short sleeved button down. I feel like gingham is very spring. It's like the pattern for spring. And I have this little button up tank top. I have to try this on. I'm not sure if this still fits me or not. And then I just have this blue and green striped tank. I feel like blue and green is my color for spring. Everything I showed you is just like the color palette is blue, green, white. And then two other items. This is a Madewell sweater that I've had for years, but I love this. This is like my quintessential spring sweater. I wear this every single year. And then the last item is probably not going to get worn for quite a bit unless we get like a really warm day. And this is a t-shirt dress that I also thrifted. This is from Old Navy. So I feel like that looks really, really good. I even took the exact amount of things off of hangers and had the perfect amount of hangers left for all the stuff I wanted to add. So love when that happens. And I do have like a couple things here and there that are in the laundry, but I feel like you get a really good idea of my process, and this is about 90% of the clothes that I have to put on here. But overall, I am really, really happy with how this turned out, and you will probably see me wearing a lot of this stuff, and I'll probably show you some outfits of the days in future vlogs, so make sure you stick around if you want to see any of this stuff in outfits. Now I have to go put this pile of stuff away and clean up the mess that I made after filming this video.